Welcome children, welcome to our channel Maths with Joshi Uncle. Here I'll be teaching you different topics in mathematics but with a difference. Difference? Yes. Because here I'll be teaching you these topics with magic and fun. Okay? So let's start. In our last particular lecture I told you about how to do multiplication tables without memorizing of the two-digit numbers ending with 9 and ending with 1. Now today I am going to tell you any table, not necessarily ending with 9 or 1, any table, two-digit table, how to prepare that particular table. Okay? So we'll start. So here, first of all, let us again talk about this table of 6. That is, how do we memorize this particular table? That is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and like that. 6 10s are 60. This is how we normally memorize the table. But now we want to do something without memorization. So how can we do that? Yes. See, in this particular table, if you can get these numbers at one's place by some chance or by some magical method, and afterwards if you can get these numbers 0 1 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 6 etc. by some other method, then our table will be automatically ready. So we will not be required to memorize this and our table will be ready. Okay? So today we will be considering any table. Say for that matter, first of all we will take a table of say 13. Okay, let's take the table of 13. 13 means 10 plus 3. For this 10, we normally put 1 in the tens place and 3 in ones place. Okay, now this 1 at tens place is called as the master digit at tens place. Is the master digit for this table. And 3 is again called as the master digit at ones place. So once we know this is very important, now let us start making the table of 13. So in this table of 13, actually we know two numbers already. 13 ones are 13. So we'll write 13 here. And 13 tens are 130. These two numbers we already know. Right now our job is to get these numbers without memorization. Okay, good. So how to do that? First of all, let us concentrate only on the ones place and close down the tens place. So which number you see? At level 1, 3 and master digit 3. Very good. Now our job is to find these numbers. Okay. So how to get that? Very simple. What you have to do? Just this is the last number that we can see and this is the master digit. So in order to get next number, you have to operate this master digit on the number that you know. So 3 plus 3, that comes to 6. 6, again to get next number, add this number, master digit into this number. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. Now again to get next number, 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. Now for the first time we have got a two-digit number. Now how to work out with that? See, 9 plus 3 is 12 and that is equal to dot 2. We can put it this way, dot 2. Dot means 1. So we can put dot and 2. 2 is the ones place number. So now we are considering only ones place number. So we will put this dot and we'll consider this at the time of calculation of tens place numbers. So what number will come here in the ones place? Of 12, it comes to be 2. Okay, very good. Now let's go further. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Again a two-digit number. So what to do? 11 means dot 1. So we'll put dot and 1. Okay. Now let's go further. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 0 here again a 2-digit number. So dot 0. So we'll put it 0 here and a dot here. Okay. So our 50% table is ready without memorization. Okay. Now let's go further. Now we want to get tens place numbers. Now what to do? Again the same thing. The number that we know is 1 and master digit is 1. So what we have to do? 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Should we write 4? No. Here the dot, when we got it 12, the dot is here. So we have to add this dot means 1. So we have to add that dot also. So 3 plus 1 plus dot means 3 plus 4 plus 1 means 5. Children, this is a very, very important step. Once you understand this, then you will be able to prepare any table of your choice. Okay? So, this is a very important step. Whenever that dot comes, we have to add 1 into that particular level. So, again 5 plus 1, is there any dot here? No. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Any dot here? No. 7. Next is 7 plus 1, 8. Yes, dot is here. So what do we have to do? 7 plus 1 plus 8, that is 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Now, again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Plus dot, 13. So we got 13 tens are 130. So our table, difficult table of 13 is ready, and I never asked you to memorize a simple table of 2. This is the magic of this particular thing. Okay.